Adopted people, when did you know your new family was perfect? When I was an orphan at 15, I was going through the adoption process, trying to be on my best behavior. The parents liked me, loved that I could cook, and the younger kids had a blast playing with me. I was confident this was going to be my family. But there was one problem: the eldest brother. He had taken pride in being the man of the family after their dad left, and he saw me as a threat. I went out of my way to be nice to him, making sure he knew I wasn't trying to replace him. But no matter what I did, he kept his distance. When Thanksgiving rolled around, I offered to cook dinner from scratch as a thank you. While prepping, I realized I didn't know if anyone had food allergies, so I asked him. He scoffed and said, "Figure it out." I thought he was joking, so I pressed for an answer. That's when he snapped. Without warning, he threw a right hook, then another. I didn't fight back. When it was over, I sat outside, pressing frozen peas to my face, trying to hold back tears. When the rest of the family got home, their mom came straight to me, asking what happened. I refused to tell her, but she already knew. She dragged her son outside, looked him dead in the eye, and said, "He didn't snitch on you because he's your brother. He already understands what family means more than you ever will." Then she sent him inside to help his younger siblings finish dinner. At that moment, I realized, if this is what having a loving mom feels like, I could get used to this.